Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Gemini directly inside Gmail with a Google Workspace plan or an eligible Google AI subscription. Gemini in Gmail can help you write emails, reply to messages, summarize conversations, search your inbox, find invoices, locate emails with attachments, and even show unread emails. Google officially lists drafting, suggested replies, email thread summaries, and finding information from previous emails as core Gemini in Gmail capabilities. So let us see some practical live demos. First, open Gmail in your browser. If Gemini is available for your account, you will see the Gemini icon near the top right corner. Click the Gemini icon to open the side panel. Now let us start with the first use case, writing a new email. Click Compose. Inside the Compose window, use the Help Me Write option. I will enter this prompt. Write a short, professional email to my project manager asking for an update on the current project status. Keep it polite and concise. Now Gemini generates the email draft for me. You can see that it creates a professional message that I can review, edit if needed, and then send. Now let us move to the second use case, replying to an email. I will open an existing email. Now I can ask Gemini to create a reply based on the content of this email. For example, I will enter this prompt in the Gemini side panel. Write a short reply confirming that I received this email and that I will complete the requested task by Friday. Gemini understands the email context and generates an appropriate response. This is very useful because you do not have to explain the complete email conversation again. Now let us try something even more powerful, searching the inbox using natural language. Instead of using Gmail search operators, we can simply ask Gemini what we want to find. Google specifically highlights that the Gmail side panel can search your inbox for things like purchase receipts and other buried details. Suppose I want to find all my Google Workspace payment invoices. I will enter this prompt. List all emails related to Google Workspace payment invoices. Show the date, sender, subject, and invoice amount if available. Gemini searches through the relevant emails and gives me a summarized list. This can be very useful for accounting, expense tracking, and finding old payment records. Now let us try another inbox search. This time I want to find emails that contain attachments. I will enter this prompt. List my recent emails that contain attachments. Show the sender, subject, date, and attachment name if available. Gemini searches the inbox and gives me the relevant messages. This is especially useful when you remember that someone sent you a PDF, invoice, document, or spreadsheet, but you do not remember the exact email subject. Now let us try one more very practical example. I will ask Gemini, show me my unread emails, list the sender, subject, date, and give me a one-line summary of each email. Gemini can now help me quickly understand what is waiting in my inbox without opening every message individually. This is a great way to catch up on email when you have been away for a few hours or a few days. We can make the prompt even more useful. For example, I can ask, show me only the important unread emails from the last 7 days and summarize what action I need to take. Now Gemini can narrow down the results and make the inbox much easier to manage. So in this demo, we used Gemini in Gmail for several real-world tasks. We wrote a new professional email. We generated a reply to an existing email. We searched for Google Workspace payment invoices. We found emails with attachments, and we asked Gemini to show and summarize unread emails. This is where Gemini in Gmail becomes really useful. Instead of manually searching, opening, reading, and organizing every email, we can ask Gemini in natural language and get the information much faster. Google's own Gmail pages describe Gemini as an inbox assistant that helps you write, reply, organize, and turn inbox information into answers. One important point before we finish. Some Gemini features in Gmail require an eligible Google Workspace or Google AI plan, and availability can vary by account type and organization settings. Google currently refers to its consumer paid AI subscription as Google AI Pro, while Workspace customers can get Gemini features through eligible Workspace offerings. Always review generated emails and important financial details like invoice amounts and dates before taking action. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.